Hi, good morning. Welcome to my blog. This is Sima Discarding Bjorn. Okay, also known as Captain Bjorn. For today's vlog, I'm going to teach you on how to change the cargo temperature of an oil chemical tanker, the flow rate on the Loadicator, the weight in unit, the volume unit, the percentage loaded or the ROB, and of course whether it is in sounding reading or by LH reading. So right now we are on board a Framo vessel. Okay, so on board this vessel we are using the Anko Marine Load Planner. So right now this Loadicator is online. Now you can see there it's blinking blue and yellow. And there are the list of tanks. Okay, there are my list of tanks, and we have here the cargo number, okay, which I've shown you on my part 1 whenever you want to change the cargo density. And here you will see the temperature, it is in degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and flow rate, it is in barrels per hour, and weight, it is now in long tons under this column, and of course the volume, it is now in barrels. The percentage, okay, whether it's how much percent, 90, 50 or whatsoever, whenever you are planning or even while carrying calculating the hourly during loading or discharging. And this is selectable by sounding and by LH. So I've shown you already on how to change the density, okay, by clicking the loading tab and going on the densities and summary. And this will show you this new window, cargo densities and load summary. And then just click what cargo it is and just change the density. Specific gravity at 60 degrees Fahrenheit or the API at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And it will show you the total volume loaded or the weight in tons on the right corner. Okay, so for now, how to change the temperature, just click on the up on this letter F. It is selectable whether it's in degrees Celsius or in degrees Fahrenheit. Now it will depend whether you are going US or you are going in Asian countries, so it depends. Sometimes it is in degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. For the flow rate as well, okay, it is selectable by barrels per hour, by metric tons per hour, by long tons per hour, and also by cubic meters per hour. As I've told you, it depends whether it's in cubes or by barrels or by long tons or whatsoever, whatever they require. For the weight also, it is changeable by long tons, by metric tons, long tons again. So for now, mostly we are using metric tons. It's either metric tons in back or metric tons in back. And for the volume, it can either be in barrels, cubic meters, okay, and again cubic meters, barrels and cubic meters only. For the percentage, this will show you how much percent it is. Okay, and for the sounding tab, you can just click either sounding or LH. So normally we are using LH, so it is also selectable whether it's in feet or in meters. So mostly we are using metric system. Okay, that's how you use this Anko Marine Load Planner. And what you just have to do is click the online tab and click it offline. Okay, now on the right corner you won't be able to see the yellow and blue corner in yellow color and blue color blinking anymore. Okay, now here you can see the LH. You can input, left click, and then just type. For example, here click 12 meters for example, then enter. Now it will show you 12 meters. All the figures will be changed accordingly. For the volume, weight in metric tons, the density will be same as per what we have recorded before in my part 1 on the loading tab and densities and summaries. So I will not go through that anymore. And for the temperature, that will be online. Okay, so for the temperature, whatever the tank radar is showing here from the tank radar. Okay, now it has this temperature. Whatever is shown here, it will reflect on your loadicator whenever it is online. So if you switch it offline, whatever the last reading will be recorded on your marine load planner. Okay, under those type or cargo tank number. Okay, so whenever you do stowage planning or calculating the hourly log, you have to press it offline and then click and enter how much allowance it is, and automatically it will show you the volume and also the weight in metric tons. Thank you. I hope you learned a lot. This is Sima Discarding Bjorn. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.